If you've ever walked into Costco, you've probably noticed the friendly person standing at the entrance checking membership cards. At first glance, it might seem like they're just saying hello, but there's actually a lot more to the job than that. A Costco greeter is the first point of contact for every member entering the warehouse. Their main responsibility is to verify memberships, helping ensure that only active members shop inside. This simple step helps protect one of Costco's biggest business advantages, its membership-based model. But the role goes beyond checking cards. Greeters answer basic questions, direct customers to services like returns or the pharmacy, and create a welcoming first impression. During busy hours, they also help manage the flow of people entering the store, making the shopping experience smoother for everyone. After looking into the role, it's clear that Costco greeters play a much bigger part than most people realize. They help maintain security, improve customer service, and keep operations running efficiently from the moment you walk through the door. So the next time you visit Costco, remember that friendly greeting isn't just good manners, it's an important part of how the entire warehouse operates.